In today's video, I'll show you how to put a PDF into ManyChat step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you want to share a PDF with your audience inside a ManyChat flow, there's one important thing you need to know first. ManyChat does not allow you to upload PDF files directly. Instead, you share your PDF using a link, and that link opens the file in the user's browser. Let's start from the beginning. First, upload your PDF file to a cloud storage service. You can use Google Drive, Dropbox, or any similar platform you're comfortable with. Once the PDF is uploaded, make sure it's saved properly and accessible. Next, you need to get a shareable link. Open the PDF inside your cloud storage, click on the Share or Get Link option, and set the access so that anyone with the link can view the file. This step is very important. If the permission is restricted, your audience won't be able to open the PDF. After that, copy the link to your clipboard. Now, head over to your ManyChat dashboard. Open the flow where you want to share the PDF with your users. Inside that flow, add a message block. In the message text area, paste the PDF link you copied earlier. You can also add a short sentence like, "Tap here to download the PDF," so users know exactly what the link does. Once that's done, save and publish your flow. Before you finish, here are two quick tips. First, always test the link yourself to make sure it opens correctly on both desktop and mobile. Second, if your PDF file is very large, consider reducing its size so it loads faster for users on mobile data. And that's how you put a PDF into ManyChat. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.